G'day everyone, Nick here, also known as Ballsy by some people. We have a Jeep here, yes it is a Jeep, set up so that you can see some basic layouts. I've got some flies attacking me here, got some basic layouts that we tried over Christmas while we were away that you can use at home. Obviously lots of us have tried some of this before, but this just helps those that are new into four-wheel driving and camping and trying to get away with having a fridge and a battery in the car, and they can't have a permanent solution. So some of us, yes, we put our dual batteries in the front, and some of us put our fridges in different areas of the car, but we don't all have the ability to have it as a permanent solution, either because of budget in the beginning or because we don't need to, due to the fact that it's a work car or the wife's car like this one, as I said. So we've locked this Snowmaster 56 litre dual zone fridge. So it's got a proper fridge and a proper freezer that can go down to -20. And we set that around -15 to -17 while we're away on the freezer side, and about 3 to 4 degrees Celsius on the fridge side. We've got a drop down table here. Obviously this isn't a permanent solution. This is a permanent solution, sorry. And the light across the top here from Core Lighting, that light can go in white or orange, and you can adjust the brightness in the orange setting. It's handy for not having bugs here while you're cooking dinner. Got our battery pack here from Tough Power. This battery pack, a little bit different to the others, has a touchscreen, has a 1000 watt pure sine 2000 watt inverter, has 240 volt in and out, has 12 volt in and out, can do all the solar and everything, but that's locked in position there, not going anywhere. But what's handy is that just manages everything in the background like a proper dual battery system, but it's a portable solution. As I said, we're just trying to show everyone some ideas that are trying to get into this, or that have a vehicle they can't have a permanent solution in. This worked well for us. We had 3 ammo boxes stacked here. Bottom ammo box, cutlery, knives, spoons, bowls, cups, anything like that in the bottom section from the Bush Company. Second box was a ammo box, and we put pots, pans, big tongs, things like that, and any spare drinks that didn't need to be refrigerated. And in the top ammo box we put just the dry foods and anything like that. We put any soft items on the top, and anything else that we had for clothing and the like went in onto the back seat in our bags, and that was it. Easy solution, not too heavy, doesn't weigh down the car too much, but importantly it's all removable. So if your wife then has to use it for shopping and everything later on when you come back from holidays, it can all come out. If you need to use it for work, it can all come out also. I hope that helps, guys. We're going to post a few more videos as well on each of these items, so you can see how they work, how the setup works, but also so that you can work out what's going to be the best system for you, or size for you, because this worked for us. For some people, like with a bigger family, a 56 litre won't be big enough. You'll need to go to a 72 litre or something like that. Okay? Any questions, post them down below. Any great ideas that you've come up with, solutions like this that work best for you and your situation, love to hear about it, because there's no right or wrong way of doing this. It's more